In the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you how to create a talking animation using Capcut so you can create videos just like 10x Income and Digital Income Project, whose videos have been going viral. The best part is that every tool I show you is completely free so that everyone watching will be able to create these style of videos without spending a single penny. I don't want to waste your time, so let's get started. Step 1 is to create an anime character that we can use for our channel and in our videos. There's tons of different text-to-image generators out there like Midjourney and Leonardo, but today we're going to use DALL-E 3. It's completely free to use and we can generate as many images as we want until we get the perfect anime character. ChatGPT 4 and Microsoft Bing both use DALL-E 3 to create images, but GPT 4 is a paid tool and Bing is totally free. To get DALL-E 3 for free, all you have to do is download the Microsoft Edge browser, click on the chat tab, and type in your prompt. If you're confused at all about this process, I'll put up a link to another video I made on how to use DALL-E 3 for free. For my prompt, I asked Bing to create the following image: an anime character of a young man in a home studio that is lit with many LED lights in the background. I used a very detailed prompt because DALL-E 3 is able to handle all aspects of the prompt. The more descriptive your prompt is, it will give you a better final result. I'll make sure to include the prompt in the description below. Feel free to tweak any aspect of it and make your character how you want it. Once you get the perfect picture, just click download and we'll move on to the next step. Here's a pro tip. Once Bing provides you with images you like, you can just tell Bing to provide you with a couple more variations of this image from a different camera angle. That way you can have multiple angles of your anime character and multiple shots. Step 2 is to remove our character from the background. Unfortunately, DALL-E 3 only makes images in one aspect ratio, which is 1:1 or a square. We need our aspect ratio to be 16:9 or widescreen for a YouTube video. So to get around this issue without distorting our image, we will remove the background and place our character on a widescreen background. Head over to pixelcut.ai, click the tab that says tools, and then click background remover. Now upload your anime character picture and it will automatically remove the background, then download your new image. Next, we need to remove the mouth from our character because we will eventually replace it with an animated mouth. We could do this by clicking Pixelcut's magic eraser tool. Click, hold, and drag your cursor over the mouth and then click on apply magic eraser. Download and save that image. Let's move on to step number 3. We need to upscale our image to increase the resolution because our initial image from Bing is actually low resolution. Once again, we don't need to leave Pixelcut's website. We'll just click on upscaler in the tools category. Now save and download that image. Now that's done, so let's move on to step number 4. Let's find an anime background in the correct dimensions that matches our style. For this, I used Vecteezy. It's a free website. Typed in anime bedroom background and found the perfect background for my character. Make sure the background you choose says free download. Then after you download it, look for the spot that says attribution and copy it and paste it into the description of your video, because although the image is free, Vecteezy requires that we give credit to the creator of it. On to step 5. Go to a site called Photopea, which is basically a free version of Photoshop. Click new project. Now change the background from white to transparent. After that, click on Facebook event image. This will make our canvas size 1920 by 1080, which is the dimensions that we need. Next, you need to click on file, then open and place, and open the image of your background. Resize the image so that it covers the complete canvas. Now go back up to file, then open and place again and open the upscaled version of your anime character with no mouth. Resize it to how you want it and click export PNG. Step 6, we need to get our animated mouth, so let me show you how we're going to do that for free. But first, if you're enjoying this content, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and like this video, and don't forget, links to everything you need will be in the description, guys, so I really appreciate it. Click the link in the description and it will take you straight to this animated mouth. Download it for free, but once again, make sure you copy the attributes and paste them in your description. Next step is to open Capcut. If you don't have it, just download it. It is the best free video editing software in the world. Now import the image you made in Photopea, your background image with your character overlaid. Also import the clip of the animated talking mouth. Drag your background photo onto the timeline, then drag your animated mouth video onto the timeline and place it right above the photo. While the video clip is selected, click on the Remove Background tab, select Chroma Key, Click the color picker and choose the green color on the video. Then move the intensity slider all the way to the right. It should remove the green screen background and leave you with just the mouth. Now all you have to do is resize the image of the mouth until it is proportionate to the rest of his face and place it in the right position. Play the clip just to make sure everything looks good. The last step is to add in the voiceover, which we can do for free as well using Capcut. Click on text and insert a new text box. Now paste your script into that text box. In order to fit the entire script, you might have to use more than one text box. Now click text to speech in the top right hand corner and choose whichever voice you feel fits your character. And the last step is to adjust your background picture and your animated mouth to the same duration as your voiceover, and you're done. There you go, guys. Just like I promised, step by step how to make those viral talking animation videos just like 10x income completely for free. Like and subscribe to show your love.